Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to accomplish the factory reset on the Mercedes system. So basically, let me show you how to wipe all your personal data and bring back the factory settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Mercedes Vito. Let's swipe to the left until you see the settings, so this car icon. Let's just tap it. As you can see here, you can use the top menu. Let's choose here the system, and under system you have to scroll down from the left menu to see the reset. As you can see, this function is unavailable right now because I need to switch on the vehicle. So let me do it. Let me just press the start engine. All right. As you can see, now if we tap the reset one more time, we've got access to the reset option. So let me do it. Let's tap reset. So data loss, all your data will be deleted. Some settings can only be reset when the vehicle is stationary. So we are sure that you would like to accomplish that. Let me tap yes. Let me tap yes again. And the system will be reset and restarted. Let's wait a few seconds. And when you should use it, only use it if you are selling the car or if the system is doing something wrong, it have some major glitches, or something is not the way you want it. You might try to fix it just by using this reset option. So sometimes you have to just perform the hard reset operation on your car. Let's wait until the reset will be completed. As you can see, now we should see the Mercedes logo. Now we should hear that the radio station didn't find the appropriate station yet, so we have this noise. Just make it quiet, and that's it. As you can see, I've got the Polish language because the car was in Polish at the beginning, so that's why after the reset we've got bring back the Polish version. Of course, we can change it just by tapping here and by tapping English. And that's it. Now you can use your car and have a fresh start. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.